So friends, today I'm going to explain you my compiler lab experiments, that is token separation. The first phase in compiler is lexical analysis. What lexical analysis does is generating the tokens. Tokens are nothing but the set of characters which has a meaningful value, like meaningful thing. So coming to the experiment, what they gave is they just need to perform token separation with a given subset of the language. Uh, so the input, whatever we have inputted, should come in this manner. So I'll just go to the code. First of all, what I have to do is I just need to input the multi-line. So here I'm inputting the values. Coming to this, inputting the number of lines. Here I'm just asking the person how many lines I would just want to input. So I'm just creating a new array, input array, so that I can input it in the array. So I'm just inputting the values in the input array using for loop. And coming to that, I'm just next stage is that I just need to separate the statements or the lines into tokens. For that, I just need to use for loop for that. And then I have one specific class in Java, that is string tokenizer. It becomes easy for me just to separate the tokens, and it just generates the tokens. And this is the what we have to give the condition for this is the what what statement you want to separate, and then based on what you want to separate the words. So here I just want to separate the words based on white spaces. Then coming to this while loop, I just have it have more tokens. Then that if the token is generated, then I'm just putting it in the key, and then the key is just storing it in the temporary array variable. Here comes the count. Then count is just I'm just giving some number, so that I just want to print how many tokens are there. So I'm just increasing it by count plus plus. Then I'm just inputting the printing token stored in an key array. Then coming to the just printed, I'll just input the first two values. I'll just show you how the tokens are generated. Just show you. Here, this is the first two statements what I have inputted, and then it tokens have generated based on the white spaces. When I'm inputting the statements, I'm just ensuring that everything should be within a space, so that I can generate the state tokens like this. Then I'm just counting it using the count variable, so the number of tokens are 10. And then to display what is what, means like whether it's a keyword, whether it's a punctuation mark, or whether it's an identifier, I'm just using creating 5 arrays. These 5 arrays are keyword, identifier, operator, punctuation, and the number. If you have other things, you can just input it. So in this arrays, I'm just defaultly giving some values, like in keyword I am in float, char, string, double, and then identifier might be some number, whatever you want to display. Just given at some alphabets here. Then operators are plus, equals to, so on. And punctuation is like semicolon, dot, comma. And then comes to the comparing part of the whatever you have inputted, and then here comes the for loop. This for loop is just for the temporary whatever you are inputted the array, and then keyword array, and then I'm just comparing the temporary array with the keyword array, and then if the two matches, then I'm just printing it. and then I just created an some keyword int keywords array, so that I just want to count how many keywords are there in the inputted statements. I'm just increasing it like keywords plus plus. The same way we'll just do for the identifiers and for the operators, and then at last for the numbers. And at last I'm just going to print all the keywords, identifier, operators, punctuations, numbers, and then that gives me the like this. Like what first is keyword and the next keyword is double, then identify a, b, and c, d, and d, and punctuations are like comma, comma, and then so on. And then this displays me the keywords. There are two keywords. I did not input any numbers, so I just got in numbers is equals to 0, and operators also nothing are there, so I just got operators as 0. This is how we just do token separation for some language, like some whether it can take it as C++ or Java. And then now we count how many operators, how many tokens are there in one thing. Thank you so much.